Hello guys and welcome to Al Crash Repair Center. As you can see, it's gonna be a new video with a special job on that car as well. It's a BMW M6. We got a carbon fiber roof on it, and of course on that carbon fiber roof, as you can see here, he had a chip, and then around the chip there is like the water leaked inside it. And then we got another one here. Oh my god, it's like a map. So we got a few places here and there, so we need to rectify it for the gentleman and to bring it back as a manufacturer finishing. And of course guys, we will show you how we're going to repair it and get it back like a manufacturer finishing. As you can see here, I have to put the blade, then try to peel it off slowly. And you can see it's a bit dusty, and then the water goes under it, so I think that has been re-lacquered before. So whatever places we can go and then take the old lacquer off, that how it's supposed to be, because we cannot rub it down and then apply the lacquer on the top of it, the clear coat. So we must get rid of the marks around the chip and then rub it down properly and then make it ready for primer. So first of all, we have to dig it, go dig the clear coat, the old clear coat, take it off completely, and then we'll see where we're gonna stop. Because sometimes if you put the air, the pressure on it, we just like flake off straight away. But I wanna see how we can take them off without any harm for the carbon fiber. We don't want to harm it, we don't want to damage it. So here you go, it's just keep going. So I decided to get the blower and then to test it with the blower if that's gonna come off. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh wow. So that's how we strip it. Yeah, whatever lacquer there is not being used the right material into it, so we must go this way, and that will be very clean way and very smart way to not damage the carbon fiber, because the carbon fiber is very sensitive, especially when we put the clear coat. You can see where the damages is. So yeah, wow, that's crazy. Unfortunately, whoever done it before is just like crap restoration. That shouldn't happen, because not long ago you've done it recently. So just up the time, so easy. Wow. it. Step one. Now, here we go. Now we rubbing it down, taking all the old lacquer marks off. Use the DA. Side done. Now we're doing the other side. Here you go. The car has been masked and prepped properly. We have decreased it as well. And now we need to apply the clear coat. Fully masked, making sure there is no overspray on the car after we painting, and that's it. There you go, the job has been completed now. As you can see, a proper shine, proper glossy. We're very happy with the result. Of course, by the way, I have done 4 coats of lacquer, of clear coat, 4 coats. No cut corners. Of course, we have to flat it a bit and give it a good polish. The shine, it will be even more, you will see more glossy when we flat it and polish it. We do it 2000 and 3000 and then give it a good polish. It's absolutely amazing, absolutely amazing. Wow. All the edges here being covered properly. Yeah, very nice, very nice. So this is a dry zinc 3000 after the 2000. Here you go. That flat, completely flat. So now we're gonna start polishing. Here you go, guys. This is the result of the carbon fiber roof finishing. As you've seen on the video, from the beginning to the end, how we start on it and then how it's become. It was so messy, so we're very happy with the result. It's absolutely stunning, shiny, no issues at all with it. So now the car due to go out. Show you a bit closer. There you go. Absolutely amazing. Guys, thanks for watching the video and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much. Guys, thanks for watching the video and I hope you enjoyed it. And we always trying to do perfect job. We don't claim we do perfect job, but we try our best to do a perfect job and then to do a nice videos as well. So I really appreciate your watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and much appreciated, and thank you very much.